Some easy hacks to achieve a perfect smoky eyeshadow look without looking like a raccoon. Say goodbye to all those overrated, overcomplicated smoky eye makeup which are also hell expensive. Hello everyone, this is Ayush. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create an expensive looking eye makeup which looks like smoked by a professional. I'll also tell you the hacks to make it easy and cost effective. Once you're done with washing and moisturizing your skin, yes, put some moisturizer around the eyes as well. It will make your skin softer and it will reduce the chances of fine lines being more visible. We are ready for the shadow magic. I am going to break down this smoky eye look into very simple steps. You can also make notes of it and play it again and again while you are applying your eye makeup so that it doesn't feel way too difficult. Before starting, if you're confused about how high or how low the shadow should go outside, how lifted it should go on the outer corner of your eye, then use tape. This can be done in two ways. Stick the tape at the back of the hand to soften the glue. First technique is put the tape at the angle of the outer lower lash line. Super easy, just like you apply your eyeliner. Second, if you have uneven eyes like me, one of my eye is more downturned than the other. In this case, follow your eyebrows. Try creating a parallelogram with the tape and the eyebrow. Place the tape parallel to the ridge of the eyebrow. You can also use a mashup of both. The ultimate goal is to make the tape look even on both the eyes, so with respect to your face, both the tapes are at same angles. I'm not going to use that because I want a softer look. Tape gives you a really sharp line and I don't prefer that. If you like it, then go for it. Place the tape slightly below, not exactly touching your waterline because it will look unnatural. Now the next step is creating a base. It will make your powders stay longer on your eye and also show darker on your eyes. As the eye makeup is going to be dark in color, our base also should be dark. White base is good for bright colors like orange, blue, green, yellow. For darker colors, you already are going to make everything dark like black, grey or brown, so choose something already dark. Because putting a different shaded powder on a cream or liquid makes it look patchy and your eyeshadow will look patchy. But generally we have a lighter colored concealer for a base, so we will do some mixing. Welcome to my laboratory. Take your concealer at the back of your hand or on a plate. Scrape some of your dark eyeshadow. How dark? The one that you are going to use in your eye makeup. Mix them and you have your dark custom eye primer. This is what brands do and make you fool with huge price tags. You can do this with any color, whichever color your heart desires. Browns, grey, orange, red, blue, anything you can do this with. Now take a flat synthetic brush, pick a small amount of product on the brush and start putting it on your lid. We are not rubbing, scrubbing or scratching it on the skin, just placing it with a tiny swipe. So the layer of product is not too thick or too thin. If you're confused at which part should it be used, then try applying it within the socket, meaning there is the socket, you can feel it here. Below that your eyeball is there, above that your bone is there. So you are going to apply it within that socket, meaning on your eyeball, only the skin which is over your eyeball. That's it. Start pulling it outwards and upward. Take more product if needed. Your base application should also look blurred, blended, diffused or smoked from the edges, meaning it should be blended. For inner corner, don't go beyond this. For the outer corner, we have two parts, the bottom and the top. So bottom edge should be in the angle of your tape and the upper one should be in a smooth transition with your crease or the socket. And the tip will end where they both meet. Don't go too high. If you do this correctly, most of your hard work will get over. Now let's start working with powders. First, Take a pinky or peachy nude tone, which is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin. You can go even lighter if you want to. It will make your brow bone look really protruded and prominent. Use a fluffy brush. Pack it under the arch of your eyebrows and blend outward and inward. Hold the brush at the tip for smoothest finish. It should look really feathery, really soft. Take that same dark powder you mixed in your concealer with a fluffy brush. Start placing it on your crease or the socket and blend it in circular and windshield wiper motion. Ensure that you are creating that cat eye effect at the corner. You can also keep it round, it's all up to you. For example, I generally prefer rounder eye look. Start with smaller quantity and take more unless you are happy with the intensity. Don't take huge amount of powder at once. Take a clean brush and blend everything. The purpose of this step is to blend any sharp lines between the light and dark color. Keep blending to make sure the light and dark color are in a smooth transition into each other. If you feel you are done blending, blend again. This is the key to get that smoky eye. Next step is take a really dark gray color. If your skin color is dark and that gray color doesn't show up, then you can also use black. Apply it like an eyeliner. Leave the inner third empty. Don't apply there. Now, clean your brush, then blend it. Otherwise, it will make the entire eye black and you will lose what you have created. That's it. Nothing much. You only have to create a smoked eyeliner effect. Next step, this can also be optional if you want to. You have to take a little shimmery color that has a little bit of shimmer, frosty type of color from the same color family. Everything is gray or black, so it should also be grayish in color. With the help of your finger, put it at the center of the eye from the lash line to the socket. Yes, finger will give you the most payoff, even more than brush. Take a brush and blend the edges of the shimmer to make it look seamless, so it looks harmonious with the rest of the makeup instead of sitting on the top. Blend inwards more, don't take it too far on the outside. So the eyeshadow part is done. Check again, blend again and ensure the smoothness. Look from all the angles and it should be smooth and seamless. There should be no harsh lines anywhere. For the lower lid, take the same custom base that you have created or mix more if it has already dried. Take a small synthetic brush, even smaller, and apply under the eyes. Not too thick. Don't apply at the inner third. Keep it light. Keep it clean. Take a black kajal or pencil. Apply it on the waterline and upper waterline as well, so there is no naked skin peeking through. I don't know why does this keep happening with me, but in every video I shoot, I look way too orange. Trust me, I'm not that orange and I'm not able to figure out how to fix this problem. If anyone of you know the solution and would like to help me, then please tell me in the comments, how can I fix this problem? It's looking way too orange. Take a small clean brush and start blending out the shadow. But don't make vigorous movements. It can create dark circle type of effect. You can also skip the black pencil from the bottom. This will make your eye look more open and lifted, while the current one is looking more closed and full and juicy. Such type of makeup makes your eyes look more full. Now we are going to add some finishing touch by applying some eyeliner. Eyeliner should only be used to outline the eye and wing it out. The wing should also be super thin. We are not going to grab the attention away from the eyeshadows that we have applied. And this type of dark eye makeup will also hide the mistakes of your eyeliner. Once you are done with the rest of your face, make that inner wing. You can also take the nude color that you have put on your brow bone and apply it on the inner corner of your eye. That was your smoky eye makeup done. Super easy and pocket friendly. If you feel it's difficult, once you start doing it, then play this video and do with me. Trust me, you'll love to see how nice you worked. And I'd ask you people to be my director. Tell me what you want me to do in the next video. I'll try that if I could. We'll meet in a brand new one. Bye guys.